All right, we've just finished installing the Centsys D5 Evo sliding gate opener. So I've put the magnetic index on the racking there. I've had to pack it out with a reasonably thick piece of steel. Pack that out because this track is a lot thinner than a standard track. The teeth are wide, but the top section is a bit thinner. That's off of that failed Ditec motor right there. So yeah, you've got two grub screws in the bottom there. So now let's go through and set the limits. It's very easy. There's a setup wizard on these, which makes the job super easy. So the magnet's got to be about 600 mil in from the rear of the gate. Now go to your control panel. We've got the mains power hooked up, the battery hooked up. We're all powered up. We've got our main control panel up the top and an awesome little mini screen here. So we're going to hold down this rectangle shaped button in the middle here for 2 seconds. All right, setting limits. That's what we want. Press it again. So we're going to go through the setup wizard, which makes this job super easy, and it pretty much tells you on the screen what you need to do. So exit is the round button, but we want to continue, which is this shape button here. All right, has the gearbox been filled with oil? Yes, it has. Please note all safety features are disabled. That's fine. Is the system correctly wired as per the manual? Yes, it is. Is the origin magnet correctly fitted? Yes, that's that thing right there, the origin magnet. Tells the gate where it is. That's a yes. Is the motor engaged? Yes, we've wound out the manual release and it's engaged. So we can press yes. End stops fitted. Well, yes, this has got an enclosed top rail which butts up against the rollers, and there's an end stop up that end there. So yes, we have end stops fitted. Clear the gate area and press this long button to start. So what we're going to do, make sure the area is clear from people and tools, and press go. So what's going to happen now, the gate's going to open up very slowly until it hits the end stop on the enclosed rail up there on that roller. That needs a new nut on it actually. Better find that. So that will stop up there. Might even hit the back section somewhere. And now it's going to close. What does it say on the screen? Find end stop number 2. So it's even got your travel there. Come on, focus. Display camera. Find end stop number 2. And it tells you how far the gate's travelled as well. 2.345 meters. So it actually tells you how long your gate is, and that's how many amps it's using. If you put some pressure on the gate, it'll bump up those amps quite a bit. So the magnet's past the solenoid actuator there. Now she's running full speed because we've found both end stops. What a super fast motor this is. I love how it slows down in the last inch. Let's go and have a look at this. This gate travels so fast and it just slows down to perfection. All right, we're in business. Is the gate open? Well, no, it's actually closed. Come on, focus. So is the gate open? No, the gate's closed. So we want to change that to no. And now the gate motor will know that the gate's closed and which direction it's traveling. So is the gate open? No. And that's it, we're done. And you can use this little test button here to open and close the gate. There we go. Let's set up your Centsys D5 sliding gate opener. What a beast. I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching.